Hi, welcome to my channel and thanks for stopping by. In this video, I'll be doing an egg hair mask treatment. This process offers great benefit to the hair because it consists of ingredients that are rich in sources of protein and fatty acids that nourish and strengthens the hair. Another great benefit is that it not only adds moisture to the hair, but it also reduces shedding. I will be using egg, Greek yogurt, honey, mustard oil, and Amla oil. So let's get started. Now I will start with 1 egg. You can use 2 if your hair is longer or thicker. Eggs are a great source of protein, biotin, vitamins, and nutrients that can support healthy hair growth and strengthen the hair strands. Next, I will add some natural Greek yogurt. Yogurt provides lots of benefits. It is full of protein that offers nourishment and helps strengthen the hair shaft, which prevents split ends and hair damage. It also helps clear away dead skin cells and cleanse the scalp, and it contains lactic acid, which hydrates the hair. I will add about 2 or more spoons of yogurt. As we all know, eggs can be really smelly. So another great benefit of yogurt is that it can neutralize the odor of the egg. I will also be using honey. This helps seal in moisture and conditions the hair. A great benefit of honey is its antibacterial and antiseptic qualities. This helps to prevent scalp infections and issues like dandruff. I will add just 1 full tablespoon. I will also add some mustard oil. This is high in fats, including omega-3 fatty acids. Using mustard oil as a scalp treatment may help protect or improve hair root health for stronger, thicker hair. It can also help reduce inflammation on the scalp. I will add 1 spoon. Finally, I will add some Amla Jasmine oil. This promotes healthy hair and can assist with reducing split ends and minor hair loss. It also has therapeutic qualities and has a strong fragrance which can help in reducing the egg odor. Now I'm mixing them all together. Make sure that it's thoroughly mixed and smooth. Next, I will pour it into an old applicator bottle to make the process less messy. You can also apply the mixture with your hands or an applicator brush, but I prefer using the applicator bottle as it's easier and less messy for me. So, I've just finished shampooing my hair. This treatment must be done on clean hair, as it won't be as effective due to product buildup. I first partition my hair into sections to allow me to apply the mixture easily. Now I will start to apply the mixture onto my scalp. The ingredients in this mixture will assist in preventing dandruff as well as cleanse the scalp, which will promote healthy hair growth. This is also spread all over the hair in generous proportions. This is very beneficial as it helps to moisturize, strengthens and thickens the hair, and also prevents split ends. When applying the mixture, you will experience your hair getting hard and stiff. This is due to the high protein that is found in eggs. So I would recommend you not to comb or brush your hair during this process to avoid breakage. In other words, do not comb or brush your hair whilst the mixture is on it. Now, I will leave this mixture on my hair for 30 minutes. After that, I will rinse it out with cold or lukewarm water. Do not use very hot water, guys. Remember, this mixture contains egg, which will cook and stick on your hair strands. This may cause difficulty in removing the egg pieces. Finish it off with a conditioner to regulate and remove the egg smell from the hair. Even though the egg treatment has lots of benefits, doing this frequently will make your hair coarse, dry, brittle and tangled. So I would recommend this treatment is done at least once a month. You will not experience visible results immediately. However, you should notice thicker and more resilient hair. Also, prolonged use of this treatment will result in less dandruff, less shedding, as well as treat damaged hair. This will gradually promote healthy growing hair. Just to let you know, I'm not a hair expert or professional. I'm only sharing with you these natural remedies that really work well for my hair. So don't judge me if you think you know better. If you've stayed till the end, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Please like this video if you've enjoyed watching it. I also do hauls hair and beauty reviews, and many more. So if you're interested in that, then please subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. See you next time. Bye.